Righty. So this, I believe, is a product that I am unboxing right now. And it should be a pair of nunchucks. But let's get specific here. Let's see my orders. Let's go on to Amazon and see exactly what I ordered. So this is the $15 Zalani Nunchuck Safe Foam Rubber Training Nunchucks. Dimensions are approximately 6.3. These are some nunchucks that I have had for probably over 2 decades. That's the only pair really that I've had for the last 2 decades. But as we go here now, we're gonna, the reason I got this item, these training items, is because of the dimensions, 6.3, the number of chains. It fits my, 8-inch wide by, let's say, I don't know, 6-inch, 8-inch long by 6-inch wide hand. And what you want to do with that is, you want to have that fit right in the middle. So again, this is your, come on. Jeez, what's up with this fucking focus? Whatever. Let's just bust it open, see what's happening in here. Definitely is foam. Definitely 2, nothing else in the box. Pretty cheap. These are, damn, $15. So I remember going to Chinatown back in the days. This would have been easily $5 a piece, so, but inflation. So let's bust one of these bad boys open and see what's really going on here. So these are from my understanding, these are the foam with the foam sheeting on the exterior, and when you pull the sheeting off, you end up with a harder base. So it's actually a really hard base underneath. They don't actually bend. But yeah, this is about right. So I'm comparing these to, the wooden to, so it's approximately almost exactly the same size. Obviously the chain, the materials here are much heavy duty, much higher quality. This looks cheap, it feels cheap, but it's, shit. I don't think you can see here. Again, these are practice nunchucks, so these ain't, let's see. I think the problem with these practice nunchucks that I now realize is the weight. When you have a proper weight, the rebound exercises are a lot easier, and the chain, I don't know, maybe it's just gonna take some getting used to. Let's see here. So this would be forward, spin, oh my God, it's so much easier when they don't hurt. Anyways, that was a lesson that I picked up from a young lady on YouTube that has her own nunchuck tutorial, and I think she even has her own pair of nunchucks. These kids these days, they're fucking pro everything. You gotta have I'm trying to get my own pro boxer shorts, you know what I mean? Pro boxer briefs, pro catheter, pro everything health and wellness. Let me just go to my history here. I want to just show you quickly. Yeah, so this is where I got all of my great insight here. It's the let's see what it says here. Nunchucks for beginners. Learn 4 basic rebounds. Sorry about that.
I'm going to break down the 4 basic rebounds.
There you have it.
So that you